It's so easy to pop wheelies on this thing. You good? Oh my gosh! I'm throwing this on I might have ran out of gas. No, full gas. I've been on an 85. What? Been a minute since I've been on one of these. Is that got more power than this? I don't know. That's the same. I know it did before a big board. I don't know about after. I just saw him. Sold it again. I'm not used to the clutch. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to go for a battery in like 3 minutes. I'm going to get one lap in on this battery. was all over the place, dude. Dang. Oh my God, I can smell my clutch. Suspension than he does. I low-key feel bad for him down there. Oh yeah, he was. Man, you get a little sideways, like me. I caught myself like going probably third gear, and my back end was just going like that. That suspension is probably a little too stiff for you. Yeah. That's 300 pounds in the back, 280 in the front. So I have it set up because for hitting a lot bigger jump.
You think I was gonna make it up there? Like at first?
I killed it. I was like, at first I thought you weren't gonna make it up this.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, he probably don't make it. I was like, you made it. I was like, there's no way he's gonna try to make it down on that stiff suspension.
I made it.
Impressed.
You just gotta easily ride that front brake and back brake at the same time.
Yeah. Oh, that's funny. Picking up dirt out there, yeah. Track or trails?
Track.
Alright.
What's up? What does Gabe have?
He has one of those. It's not big board and a 250.
What's the 250?
Honda.
R or RX?
R. people are just... I hit that jump right there and I see that motherfucker.
I started, my back end is for...
I thought I was dead when I hit that little double. Probably wouldn't sink the mower in there, but we'd definitely get her stuck.
Yeah, you would have... Oh, you got your little water hole going.
This is the mud pit for that mud mower. Wouldn't sink it right now, but it would definitely die. It'd definitely have some trouble.
Yeah, that track's way too wet to rip on. You couldn't control yourself.
I've raced on worse, but still.
Let's see what Grace is doing.
Alright, hold on, clear my tire off real quick, because you're going to have problems on the road on that thing.
What is it?
Run it like straight down through there, you're going to die. This baby burns through the gas. I believe my dad modeled 112 it. fast. A whole shot. I guess that's not. Yeah. There's a whole shot you like to. Yup. Yup. Yeah. Yeah. Get one in his arm. Get one in his thigh.
I was going up that hill, and I was popping out at first, so I shouldn't have said it. Went straight into neutral.
Oh yeah, run.
And he wouldn't go anywhere, so I had to kind of get off of it. And at first, it kind of helped it up the hill. Finally, I got it in a place where it gripped. It was just spinning. I finally got it going.
Got a bump start on here. Let him up. Countdown, man. Went sideways and barrel rolled with me. I'm still out here on it. He's still wide open. Let's try the single track. me a little bit, didn't you?
Yeah, I came down that hill pretty slow.
I took the single track.
Did you?
That's what. We gotta be fast. Alright. Good. Bike ain't over there, so I'm guessing not. him?
No, he's over in the back porch.
Oh. Headed out.
Troubles again?
What?
GoPro troubles again?
Turn the back on. Case button don't. Hey, for that video, do you want me to like full on edit a video and send it to you, or do you want me to just send you the clips?
I'll just send me the individual clips and I'll put it together.
He was holding it. This thing's quick. I always forget how fast 85s are.
Huh?
I always forget how fast 85s are. I'm starting to believe less and less of this thing isn't.
Like that?
Nah.
No.
You die. Yeah. You get, yeah. I think you'd loop it. I mean, that's how wide it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it weighs basically nothing.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think that's 200 pounds.
Oh, there ain't no way.
I think that's 185. In comparison, this thing's 230.
That's heavy. That's like what today's 250 weighs. And the suspension on this thing's like very bouncy. This ain't nothing like that.
Nah, this thing's stiff. It's like a 300 pounder shot. This weighs as much as, I mean, my dad's 250 weighs less than this.
Really?
It weighs 5 pounds less.
That's insane.
That's why it's so easy to control, though.
Yeah, don't work on that thing.
I've worked on it before.
Why are these things so small? Like they seem smaller.
My 125 is even smaller. It don't start for takes nothing.
It don't?
Nothing.
Is there a neutral on these things?
Mm-hmm.
Or is it the half click up?
Yeah, same as any bike.
You have to give it a little feel.
I mean, yeah, you can.
Oh, there it goes.
Well, alright, back on the wheelie. Hey, you can take it home if you want. What? You can take it back to my house if you want. Okay. Go on. Alright, time to rip some wheelies. Wow. So heavy. bike, it was and you just blew right by me.
Oh, it was insane. I was only in 40 gear too.
Dang, I was. Wow. I'm gonna cut over here. What?
Get a little wet.
A little bit. Got a little wet right there too.
It's probably the possibilities of
Oh crap. Willpower. I'm sorry I got that on film.
holy crap. Barely any fuel at all.
Oh, your GoPro's a little sideways.
Oh my gosh.
Did you get that on film?
Yes.
I got mine and yours on film.
Oh my gosh.
It don't take much, does it?
Oh my gosh. Hardly any fuel at all.
I'm taking mine mudding again.
Yeah, you got wet, dude.
Taking mine through there. hits the start up, boy.
I doubt it.
I also very much doubt this battery's probably dead. Battery's dead. Woo!
Oh my God. You just seen me. Me and Wade both tried the wheelie. We both wiped out. The thing just went. Ooh. This is my first time ever riding a beach boat.
What are you doing with that
We
thing?
got it on video too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
What are you doing with that thing?
What's this? Towing her out today.
He's over here hitting water holes. He's soaked.
Going mudding. No.
He's dropping it back. I mean, seriously.
What?
Is it dead?
Battery's dead, yeah. My dad's towing it home. Towing her home today.
Here, let's hit the track a little bit more and then I'll have to go.
Hey, I'm getting Predator 212 running perfect $6. much fun. I cannot get myself on this thing.